With the one-to-one, you've got full attention and people can talk specifically about projects coming up. And I think that's a tremendous value.
Having been to this now 3 times, it is very organized, and we are prepared by the Marcus Evans group on what to expect, who we're meeting with.
A lot of people are working from home these days, and this is a very controlled environment. You get to sit down, you talk face to face, and you get to think about, you know, what could be, what value you can bring, and what they're looking for.
It was really nice to meet a new company. I really love it when people want to lead with sustainability and tell me what they're doing.
You can talk more privately about your needs and so forth, and even though some of them were maybe not exactly an immediate need, but it's created food for thought and then can follow up after the fact.
Being able to sit down with a dedicated half hour where you're not being distracted with your own job at your own production facility is a good way to be able to focus and figure things out together.